past 10 years, it was not easy. But thankfully, I could meet great teachers, a lot of good teachers who had same mind. And yeah, because of COVID, that was difficult time to run business too, and we couldn't have to meet you in person. It was, difficult to keep business. But somehow you guys want to study. You got interest to learn Japanese. I don't know why, because Japanese you can only use in Japan. You speak English or Spanish, which is the most powerful language in the world. But maybe Japanese culture or food, or maybe Japanese anime, manga, games, a lot of things to inspire you to want to study Japanese, which is great, and I really appreciate the stuff. And I love teach Japanese. That's the only things I can do. So I often think, what if I didn't make this school? All of you, where did you go? And now we have more than 2,000 people. 2,000 people. So what if I didn't make school? I don't know where they could go. So I'm very grateful of being here today, and thank you so much for coming today, and thank you so much for studying Japanese, and thank you so much for loving Japan. I have a gift to hand in, so please see me at the exit. I want to give you some gift, and I will see you in the class, right?
ありがとうございます。ありがとう。
教えてくれてありがとう。
ああ。Yeah, it's perfect.
Take photo.